Samsung are due very soon, I imagine, to announce their new Samsung Galaxy S11. Now, there is a bit of a rumble, a bit of a sort of a woo, is it going to be called the S11? Because there are rumours, strong rumours, to suggest that it's actually going to be called the S20. Why? Who knows? But maybe they don't like the whole idea of calling something S11, S12, S13. Maybe they want to move away from that whole set of numbers. Who knows? Who knows? It's Samsung. They do what they please. They can afford to. Of course, there's this whole big deal about the size of the sensor. I can't remember off the top of my head, but it's something ridiculous. It'll be on the screen somewhere. And again, a whole myriad of cameras on the back that predominantly no one uses. Everyone uses the selfie camera doing Instagram bullshit these days. Yeah, so more cameras, more lenses, bigger things, bigger screens, less bezel, the usual. But I just wanted to tell you about the fact that they're likely going to be changing the numbering and just to add greater confusion. When everyone expects an S11, it's possibly going to be called the S20. Don't know why. Don't really care. Will I get it? Don't know. I may wait till next year. Probably next year. Alright. Enough of that. Click the thumbsy uppy thing. And if you don't know, I'm going to be doing a CES sort of review, the best bits from that each day from CES next week, so look out for those. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and click the bell to make sure that you're alerted so you can see more of this sort of wizened old middle-aged man talking nonsense to a camera. See you next time.